Hi, we're here at Anthem, and I'm going to teach you how to do a pop shove. So the first step to doing a pop shove it is scooping your board. So the first thing you need to do is step down and fling your foot around. And you can do that with one foot and just practice. So the next thing you need to learn is foot placement. So your front foot needs to be just below the screws, and your lower foot needs to be on the end of the tail. And you need to stay on your toes. And because if you do, and not hang your toes over, because if you hang your toes over, it doesn't work. So make sure your toes aren't hanging over like that. Keep everything loose and scoop your foot around right after it hits. And then, so if you're first learning, you kind of need to jump forward, because when you turn your board, it tends to move forward like that. So you need to jump forward whenever. See, I moved forward, and you jump forward to stay. But then the better you get at scooping your foot, the more it'll stay right under your feet. So eventually you won't have to do that. Right after you hear the sound of your board hitting, jump really high, because if you jump too low, your board will spin around and hit your shins. And that really hurts. So you make sure you jump high with your board. That's fun. Now I'm going to show you shove it around the whole skate park.
Maybe the best one you've ever done.
I think it is.